Welcome to the SAPC MVC platform tutorial. Council has made changes to their website and allows for pharmacists to have much greater and easier user experience on our website. When logging into the website, you'll be required to enter your login credentials, which are your P number, ID number, and password. Once you have put them in, click enter and you'll be then redirected to the landing page. At the landing page, you'll be asked to confirm your contact information. If you want to make any changes, you can do so on this page. Alternatively, you may click on Details are correct to move on. After clicking Details are correct, you'll be directed to the dashboard page. This page serves as a home page where you can access different tabs. The first tab is the Finance tab. This has all information pertaining to your financial records, which you may download in PDF format. It also provides you with details of your financial standing with Council. Please ensure to settle any outstanding balances to avoid erasure. The next tab is for online applications. Here, you'll find your application history and the following online applications. All these applications can be completed from within the platform, and if you want to view progress on an ongoing application, simply go back to the Application History tab. The next tab under Dashboard is the Manual Applications tab. Here, you can download the application forms in PDF format. The following tab is for Letters and Certificates. Your letters and certificates from SAPC are located under the Letters and Certificates tab, where the files can easily be downloaded in PDF format. Within this tab, you can find all certificates including your registration and CPD compliance certificates, as well as copies of the letters Council has sent to you. Let's move on to the next tab. The next tab will be the Contact Information tab. Just like the landing page, the Contact Information tab can always be accessed to update your contact information, such as your cell number, email address, home number, business number, postal and residential or courier address. Now that we're done with the Contact Information tab, let's move on to the next. The next tab is Workshops and Events. Information relating to planned workshops and events can be found under the Workshop and Events tab. From here, you can filter the workshop events by event type and book for attendance. You may also view your workshop attendance history by clicking on Workshop History. To wrap up today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the final tab, which is Telecommunication. The paper trail of all communication between you and Council can be found under the Telecommunication tab. You can toggle the tabs to choose a different time frame, either last month, last 6 months, or last year, to view all communication between you and the SAPC. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching.